A glance into views. To add bullets or numbering. A bullet point or bullet is an asterisk, black dot, square, circle, graphics, or other mark that is found before the text that identifies key items or other important text. To apply any bullet, we need to select the text line and open the bullets or numbering dialog box. Click on any bullet of your choice, but to eliminate the applied bullet, select None option instead of bullets. Using tabs to arrange data. The tab key on keyboard is used to align data or a portion of text at a particular position on text line. A glance into views. Microsoft Word gives us 5 different views of document, and each has its own advantages over other. We can click on View tab, select any following view for the document. Normal layout. Under Normal View, we can display a single page with text formatting, but without any drawing, comments or columns. Web layout. This view is for displaying the document as it would look like as a web page. Print layout. In this view, we can see how document will print according to its page breaks. Reading layout. Under Reading layout, a document is displayed in full page view with thumbnail images of pages for easy navigation. Outline layout. This view is for structuring content of the document at broad level and arranging the document in various sections.